Hi friends, welcome to the DJNC YouTube channel. Today we are going to discussing the concept of Cauchy's Euler linear homogeneous differential equations. So the standard form ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಚಿ ಯೂಲರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a naught x power n d power n y by dx power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 d power n minus 1 by dx power n minus 1 into y plus a2 x power n minus 2 into d power n minus 2 by dx power n minus 2 into y plus up to so on plus a n y which is equal to f of x. In the next step, I take common as y and also I write d by dx power n can be written as capital letter D. So a naught x power n d power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 into d power n minus 1 plus up to so on plus a n into y which is equal to f of x. So the next step is put x is equal to e power z or z is equal to log x. So then you write x d by dx can you write capital letter D and x square d square by dx square which is equal to d into d minus 1 x cube d cube by dx cube is equal to d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 and so on. Okay, so let I take the one example. X cube d cube y by dx cube plus 2x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus 3 which equal to x square which equal to x square. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you replace x cube d cube by dx cube is nothing but d into d minus 1 d minus 2 d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y plus 2 x square d square by dx square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ d into d minus 1 d into d minus 1 into y plus x d by dx ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ d okay into y plus 3y which equal to x square put x is equal to e power z or z is equal to log x ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ x ಗೆ ನಾವು e power z ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ e power z that square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so in the next step you get you take y has common factor. In the next step you get d into d minus 1 d minus 2 plus 2d into d minus 1 plus d plus 3 into y which equal to e power 2z. Then use simplification, then find the complementary functions and the particular integrals. Let me move on to the problems. The problem number 1, x square d square y by dx square plus 7x dy by dx plus 5y which is equal to x power 5 solved by Cauchy-Euler's differential equation. So you consider put x is equal to e power z or z is equal to log x in this equation. So you write x square d square by dx square can you write as d into d minus 1 into y plus 7 into x d by dx can you write it as dy plus 5y which equal to x power 5. X you replace e power z, so you get e power 5z. You after the simplification you get d square plus 6d plus 5 into y which is equal to e power 5z. Let us consider pi of d is equal to 0. What is pi of d? Pi of d is d square plus 6d plus 5 which is equal to 0. Through the factorization you get two different roots. Through the factorization you get two different roots. So the complementary function which is equal to c1 e power minus z plus c2 e power minus 5z. Then you find the particular integral which is equal to 1 by pi of d into f of z which is equal to 1 by pi of d is d square plus 6d plus 5 into e power 5z. Okay, so you replaced d by a value is 5 because e is of the form e power az form ಇದೆ. So you replace d by a, so which equal to 1 by you replace d by 5, you get 5 square plus 6 into 5 plus 5 into e power 5z. You simplification this, you get a 1 by 60 e power 5z. So the particular integral is equal to e power 5z by 60. Then what is the general solution? General solution is equal to the complementary functions plus particular integrals. So you adding complementary function which is equal to c1 e power minus z plus c2 e power minus 5z plus e power 5z by 60. So the general solution is equal to c1 by x agate. E power minus z is nothing but 1 by e power z, which is equal to c1 by e power z plus c2 by e power 5z anta baribodu plus e power 5z by 60. Then you get general solution which is equal to c1 by e power z is x plus c2 by e power 5z antandre x power 5 plus e power 5z antandre x power 5 by 60. Okay, this is the general solutions. Let me move on to the second problem. X square d square y by dx square minus 3x dy by dx plus 4y which is equal to 2x square. Put x is equal to e power z or z is equal to log x and x dy by dx which is equal to capital letter dy, x square d square y by dx square which is equal to d into d minus 1 y. So the equation 1 becomes d into d minus 1 into y minus 3 dy plus 4y which is equal to 2 e power 2z. Okay, is look here 2 is as it is x square, x antandre e power z square antandre e power 2z. Okay, so then after the simplification you get d square minus 4d plus 4 into y which is equal to 2 e power 2z. So for finding the complementary functions you consider pi of d is equal to 0. What is pi of d? Pi of d is d square minus 4d plus 4 which is equal to 0. After the simplifications you get two same roots. So the complementary function which is equal to c1 plus c2z into e power 2z. So then find the particular integral. Particular integral which is equal to 1 by pi of d into f of z which is equal to 1 by pi of d is d square minus 4d plus 4 into 2 e power 2z. You replace d by a value is 2 because is of the form e power az. Okay. If you replacing d by a, you get 0 in the denominator. So hence above case is fails agate. So the next the particular integral which is equal to z by pi dash of d by d into e power 2z into 2. Adana apply madbeku. So you get which is equal to z by pi dash of d antandre 2d minus 4 into 2 e power 2z. You replace d by a value is 2, then again you get 0 in the denominator, hence above case is fails. So the particular integral is equal to z square by pi double dash d into 2 e power 2z. Okay, the particular integral is equal to z square by pi double dash d is 2 into 2 e power 2z. So 2 get cancelled, you get particular integral is equal to z square e power 2z. So the next general solution which is equal to complementary functions plus particular integral. So complementary function is c1 plus c2 z into e power 2z plus particular integral is z square into e power 2z. So substitute the values of z and e power z value. So c1 plus c2 z is log x into e power 2z anta andre x square. Look here, e power 2z can be written as e power z square. E power z is nothing but x. So x square sigute. So x square plus z square antandre z antandre log x whole square into x square is the answer. Let me move on to the next problem. X cube d cube y by dx cube plus 2x square d square y by dx square plus 2y which is equal to 10 into x plus 1 by x. Put x is equal to e power z or z is equal to log x anta kodi. So then you get x cube d cube by dx cube antandre d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y plus 2 into x square d square by dx square antandre d into d minus 1 into y plus 2y which is equal to 10 into e power z plus 1 by e power z. X antandre e power z. okay, plus 1 by a power z. So after the simplification you get d cube minus d square plus 2 into y which is equal to 10 into e power z plus e power minus z. 1 by e power z is nothing but e power minus z. Okay, so let us consider pi of d is equal to 0 for finding the complementary functions. So d cube minus d square plus 2 which is equal to 0. In this case the degree is 3, so the roots can be found out by the synthetic divisions. Put d is equal to minus 1 in this equation. The whole term should be 0, so minus 1 is the one of the root of this equation. So using minus 1, the equation can be write as d square minus 2d plus 2 which is equal to 0. So m1 which is equal to minus 1, this is one root. So by the factorization we can't find the another roots, so by using d is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula, we find the another roots. Okay, so d is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4 into 1 into 2 by 2 into 1. So you get d is equal to 1 plus or minus I, that's m is equal to 1 plus or minus I and so in this case you get the imaginary roots. So the complementary function which is equal to c1 e to the power minus 1z plus e power z into c2 cos z plus c3 sin z sigutte. Okay, so the next the particular integral which is equal to 1 by pi of d into f of z. So 1 by pi of d is d cube minus d square plus 2 into 10 into f of z is e power z plus e power minus z. So in the next step you split these terms. So 10 e power z by d cube minus d square plus 2 plus 10 e power minus z by d cube minus d square plus 2. So is of the form e power az antandre you replace d by a value is 1. So in this case also d is replaced by a value is minus 1. If you replacing d by a you get 10 into 1 e power z by 2 plus 10 into 1 by 0 into e power minus z. If you replacing d by minus 1 you get 0 in the denominator, hence above case is fails. So the particular integral is equal to z by pi dash d into f of z agutte. So you get 5 e power z plus 10 z into e power minus z. Pi dash of d antandre 3d square minus 2d. Okay, so in this case d is replaced by a value is minus 1. You get 5 e power z plus 10 z into e power minus z. So the particular integral is equal to 5 e power z plus 10 z e power minus z. Next we find the general solution. General solution is equal to the complementary functions plus particular integral. Complementary functions ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ plus particular integrals ಏನಿದೆ 5 e power z plus 10 z e power minus z as in ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Next we replace z ಮತ್ತೆ e power z value replace ಮಾಡೋಣ which equal to c1 by x ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. e power minus z can be written as 1 by e power z ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So 1 by e power z ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus e power z means x into c2 cos z ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ log x plus c3 sin z ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ log x plus 5 e power z is nothing but x plus 10 into z ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ log x e power minus z is nothing but 1 by e power z is x, so 1 by x. That's about general solution. Let me move on to the next problem. Solve x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus y which is equal to log x. So let x is equal to e power z or z is equal to log x anta kodi. So the next step x square d square by dx square can you write as this as d into d minus 1 into y minus dy plus y is equal to z. Log x is nothing but z. After the simplification this you get d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to z. Let us consider pi of d is equal to 0 for finding the complementary function. So d square minus 2d plus 1 is equal to 0. After the factorization you get two same roots. Okay, m1 which is equal to m2 which is equal to 1. So the complementary function which is equal to c1 plus c2z into e power z. So the particular integral which is equal to 1 by pi of d into f of z. 1 by pi of d is d square minus 2d plus 1 into f of z is z. Okay, is of the form z power m format allide. Is of the form z power m formats allide. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2d ಹೋಲ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು z ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2d that's power 1 plus d square minus 2d that's power square up to so on into z. So the possible differentiation of z is only 1. So the possible expansion can be write this as 1 minus into minus plus 2d into z anta baritini. So then next multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So the particular integral which is equal to z into 1 z plus 2dz ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ dz differentiation of z is 1. So you get plus 2 only. So the general solution which is equal to the complementary functions plus particular integral. The complementary function is c1 plus c2z e power z plus particular integral is z plus 2. So then you put z value and e power z value, you get y is equal to c1 plus c2. Z ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ log x into e power z value is x plus z is log x plus 2. Okay, the next problem is x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus 3y which is equal to x square log x. Put x is equal to e power z or z is equal to log x. Okay, so the next x square d square by dx square na d into d minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ into y minus x d by dx ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ dy minus 3y this is equal to, look here, log x ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ z, x ಅಂದ್ರೆ e power z, so x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ e power 2z ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So after the simplifications you get d square minus 2d minus 3 into y which is equal to e power 2z into z. Let us consider pi of d is equal to 0. What is pi of d? Pi of d is d square minus 2d minus 3 which is equal to 0. So after the factorization you get two different roots. So the complementary function which is equal to c1 e power minus z plus c2 e to power 3z. So then let me move on to the particular integral. Particular integral which is equal to 1 by pi of d into f of z. So which is equal to 1 by pi of d is d square minus 2d minus 3 into f of z is e power 2z into z. Is of the form e power az into v formats allide. So we replace d by d plus a. So what is a value? A value is 2. So we replace d by d plus 2. d square minus 2d minus 3 can be written as d minus 3 into d plus 1 into e power 2z into z. We replace d by d plus a or d plus 2. We get d plus 2. d jagake d plus 2 minus 3 into d antandre d plus 2. So plus 1 into e power 2z into z. So then I got e power 2z by d minus 1 into d plus 3 into z. So d minus 1 d plus 3 is d square minus 2d minus 3 into z. So is of the form z ide. Z is nothing but z power m formats allide. So I will take constant term ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, outside ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು in this case. Minus 3 has common factor in the denominator. You get 1 minus d square plus 2d by 3 into z. So in the next step you write a minus e power 2z by 3 into 1 minus d square plus 2d by 3 that's power inverse into z. Then the possible expansion is 1 plus 2d by 3 anta baritini because the possible derivative of the z is only 1. Okay, so next step ali which is equal to e power minus 2z by 3 into you multiply z plus 2 by 3. dz is nothing but 1, so 2 by 3 which is equal to minus e power 2z by 3 into 3z plus 2 by 3. So you get the particular integral which is equal to minus e power 2z by 9 into 3z plus 2. So the next general solution is equal to the complementary functions plus particular integral. You adding complementary functions and particular integrals. After that you write you substitute z and e power z values. So the general solution is equal to c1 by e power minus z is nothing but 1 by e power z. So e power z value is x. So you get c1 by x plus c2 into e power 3z ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x cube minus e power 2z ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. x square by 9 into 3 z ಅಂದ್ರೆ log x plus 2. Okay. The next problem is solve x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y which is equal to log x sine of log x. So it is a linear differential equation. Put x is equal to e power z or z is equal to log x. Okay, so x square d square by dx square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ d into d minus 1 into y plus x d by dx ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ dy plus y which is equal to log x ಅಂದ್ರೆ z sin log x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin z. Okay, so let us consider pi of d is equal to 0 after the solving of this equation. So what is pi of d? Pi of d is d square plus 1. d square plus 1 is equal to 0. You get the imaginary roots. So the complementary function is equal to c1 cos z plus c2 sin z. Then we move on to the particular integral. Particular integral is equal to 1 by pi of d into f of x which is equal to 1 by pi of d is d square plus 1 into f of z. f of z ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ z sin z ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then particular integral which is equal to is of the form z sin z ಇದೆ. z sin z ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. The particular integral which is equal to z minus pi dash d by pi of d into sin z by pi of d. Okay, so which is equal to you multiply this z sin z by d square. Pi of d is d square plus 1 minus 2d sin z. Pi dash of d, pi of d is d square plus 1, you differentiate, you get 2d in by pi of d andre d square plus 1 into d square plus 1 you into sin z. In the next step is of the form sin az. Sin az ittu anta andre you replace d square by minus a square which is equal to what is a value? A value is 1, so minus 1. So the next step becomes z sin z by d square replace minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 plus 1 you get 0 minus 2 into differentiation of sin z. d sin z is nothing but differentiation of sin z. Differentiation of sin z is cos z by d square plus 1 into d square plus 1. So is of the form also cos az ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. cos az ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ d square is replaced by minus a square which is equal to a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 you get minus 1. You replaced d square by minus 1 you get 0 in the denominator. So the particular integrals ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ x ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ pi of d ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So which equal to z square sin z by d square plus 1 differentiation is 2d minus 2z cos z by plus 1 ಅಂತ 2 into d square plus 1 into 2d ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So look here, d square plus 1 into d square plus 1 is nothing but d square plus 1 whole square. You differentiate, you get 2 into d square plus 1 into d square differentiation is 2d. So the next one is equal to z square by 2 into 1 by d sin z antandre integration of sin z. Integration of sin z is nothing but minus cos z minus, you look here, 2 get cancelled, you get z by 2 d into cos z by d square plus 1. So the next step is minus z square by 2 cos z minus is of the form cos z format allide. So you replace d square by minus a square which is equal to minus 1. You get 0 in the denominator. So we differentiate the denominator. So z square cos z by 2 into, there are two functions either. The first function is the same, differentiation of the second function. So you get 2d plus d square plus 1 is as it is, differentiation of second function, you get 1. So the next step which is equal to minus z square by 2 cos z minus z square cos z by 4d square plus 2d square plus 2. So the next step, you replace d square by minus a square which is equal to minus 1. You get which is equal to minus z square by 2 cos z minus z square cos z by minus 1 replace ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get minus 4. 2 into d square is replaced by minus 1 plus 2. So you get which equal to minus z square by 2 cos z minus z square cos z by minus 4. Okay. In the next step you get minus z square cos z by 2 plus z square cos z by 4. Finally you get particular integral which is equal to minus z square by 4 into cos z. So next, general solution which is equal to the complementary functions plus particular integral. You write the complementary functions and the particular integrals. After that you substitute z value and e power z value. So in this case y which is equal to c1 cos z under log x plus c2 sin z under log x minus z square z antandre log x whole square by 4 into cos z antandre cos log x. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please ask me in the comment section. If you like a video, please like, comment.